The boardroom, where ideas come through. The boardroom, power your idea.
Every sales rep wishes to end their month on a happy note, celebrating their wins. But sadly, for most of the sales reps, it ends with the disappointment of unfulfilled targets. Being a salesperson can be a complicated profession, especially since you have to master the combination of hard and soft skills and fine-tune your techniques to make more sales. This is the boardroom. I'm Moses Nyanacho. For more episodes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if this video appeals to you, hit the like button, hit the notification button so that you will be notified once I drop a video. And please share this video. On this episode, I'll be exposing you to the 5 most common mistakes salespeople make and close it off with how to turn any mistake into a successful sale. Now, the common mistakes salespeople make. Number 1, not listening and talking too much. Sales is not about getting other people to see your point of view. It's about getting you to see things from other people's perspectives. The most effective salespeople listen more than they talk. Allow your prospect to talk about their needs, lifestyle, concerns, and how they want the product or service to work for them. I want to remind you of the golden rule in sales, which is, since you have 2 ears and 1 mouth, therefore, you should listen twice and speak once. Let me also say this. On no situation should you argue with your potential customer. You don't want to win an argument, but in the process, you lose your customer. Number 2, not including story. Storytelling is essential in sales. Try and make a movie in the minds of your prospects by using memorable characters, exciting situations, intriguing dialogue, suspense, and humor. Stories will help you share information in a way that creates an emotional connection to your product. Number 3, not personalizing the solution. Personalizing your solution simply means you have designed it specially according to the needs of an individual. When customers are hearing something that is tailored to them and their interests, they are more likely to patronize you. For instance, selling HR management software to a developer won't close a deal. And this is one of the common sales mistakes I'm talking about. And to avoid this, you need to personalize whatever product you are selling. Number 4, focusing on price, not value. Price is what your customer pays, while value is what your customer gets. Emphasize more on what your customer gets. Focus on the value that matters to your buyer, not to you. So you have to suspend the features and benefits of your product. What matters is how your customer sees how he will benefit from your value proposition. And finally, making promises you can't keep. Delivering on your word is one of the simplest ways of earning long-term trust with your clients. And as a sales rep, you already know that long-term customers are the life wire of your company's profitability. Now, to avoid making promises you can't keep, there are a few things I want you to keep at the back of your mind. A, don't let your prospect pressure you into saying yes when you know it's a no. B, don't make promise that relies on the deliverables of others, because if a promise is broken due to circumstances outside your control, it's still a broken promise. C, don't make your prospect dream for something unachievable. I don't know if you have heard of this term, bad news travels faster. When a customer does not receive what you promised, he will start spreading it to other people. So you have to be careful. Now, how do you turn your mistakes to a successful sale? Obviously, mistakes are a fact of life. It is the response to it that counts. There are times where we have to go back to the mistakes we made. It's a part of business. We are all humans and we make mistakes. It may be your fault. It might be a situation out of your control. A vendor might have disappointed, or there was a communication gap somewhere. At this point, the best thing to do is to just come clean. I repeat, come clean to the customer and take responsibility. Explain the problem as soon as possible so that there won't be surprises. Maybe you can give a discount or another offer of some sort to make up for the loss. Whatever you do, don't try to cover it up or hide it from your customer. Try this and you will see a positive result. I will conclude with a quote by Jeffrey Gitomer. He says, "Great salespeople are relationship builders who provide value and help their customers win." Many thanks for watching. Please drop your comments about this video. Like and hit the notification button and share this video. I'm Moses Ihanacho. Bye for now.
The boardroom, where ideas come through. The boardroom, power your idea.